What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Man, it's sun bright. And today, we getting it in on Dolo. Rick coming through. We about to get the lower ball joints installed and the idler arm put on. Then I'm gonna set me a alignment appointment. Hopefully they can get me in tomorrow. And then yeah, man, it's a done deal. I'm putting the wheels back on. I'm driving everywhere else from here on out. Now, I put the wheels on. I'm driving to go get the AC lines made. I'm driving to go hit the dyno up. All that good stuff. And man, I got to get a cover for my boy, man. I got to get a cover. I would call that cover rip. I would take the cover out Dolo and put it on there. Cause Meats is that's my baby right there. The only reason the cover is on Dolo is because I think it needs a seal, the trunk seal, because water, I saw that water gets in the trunk some kind of way. I don't know how. The seal look like it's good, but it must be cracked or somewhere, cause water will get in that trunk if it rain real hard. So that's the only reason Dolo got the cover on. But I got some more coming, cause I need one for the Camaro for now. But now since I got all the three of the cars, we got all our old school, about to have them back. I'm about to go ahead and get that. We're gonna get that tore down, put a brand new storage building up there, a bigger one, so I can go ahead and put my shop right there. Cause all this need to be inside the shop. So I'm about to go ahead and get that on the way too, and finish removing them trees and all that. So y'all gonna see, it's gonna look different. If you've been following my video, you know how much been done. You remember all this stuff been tucked down and all that wasn't even right there. So that's it. I'm about to, right now though, I'm about to run to the shop and go check on the Camaro and see where it's at. And then I'm gonna go holler at Will over at AutoZone so we can get them parts. Then I'm gonna get back to the house. I'm gonna wait till Rick pull up. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back at the house. Got everything needed. Got the 2 lower ball joints. Then we got the idler arm. Shout out to Will. Always looking out. Best pricing ever. And yeah, man, we just waiting on. Oh, and I got the power brake check valve too, so we can finish that vacuum canister installed too. So I'm gonna do that today too. So yep, got everything needed. I'm not going out there about to do that vacuum canister thing right now cause it's so hot. So I'm gonna wait till the evening. Then I get while Rick getting it in on the ball joints and the idler arm. I go ahead and do the check valve and finish up the vacuum canister install. And I'm going to tell you, if you want to put the idler arm on, cause I could have did this part right here. But if you want to put the idler arm on, make sure you mark the position of the old idler arm. Mark the position, and you want to try to get it back close as possible. Either way, you're gonna have to have alignment still. But you take it off, you change it, mark the position. So just know that. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. So we're checking in. Went ahead and came on out here anyway, cause once again, y'all know what I'm about to say. They talking about the rain about to come through. So I went ahead and I said, man, I might as well come on out here and get this done so we can get some kind of action. So now this is what I tell you about finishing up the vacuum canister. I already took this loose, which is too short. Can't fit over there. So I'm gonna have to replace that. So what we about to do, see, I got plenty of line. So I'm gonna set the camera up and get all it hooked up, then I'll show y'all how everything go. So just stay tuned. Alright. So I got my nips, nip pliers, and we finna get this power brake check valve out. And go ahead and make sure it fits in the vacuum canister, which I know it does. Ain't that tight, but it gotta be. So get that in there, seated in there good. Definitely want to make sure that thing seated good, cause you don't want no vacuum leaks, I'll tell you that. So you got to really push it in there. And if it don't go in there good as you like, you got extra grommets, which you can change out and put in the vacuum canister. But it's seated in there. So now, all we gotta do is measure. Let me see. On the check valve, we're gonna put it, we're gonna run it to this check valve on the vacuum canister. So we're gonna have to slip the line on there. Make sure it's all the way up. Then we're gonna, man, I forgot I had bought this. It's long. Cut just a little more. Just measure it where you gonna cut it. Get there. Yes, indeed. See, they're real simple. Don't take you no time. The most time is actually mounting it. Run that back to the back of the carburetor. You don't want that open. You do not want that open. Should have made it a little long. Let me see how I can turn it though. I might run a zip tie. See, I told y'all this. I'm perfectionist, man. On when it comes to how stuff look. I could have ran it around. Could have ran around here instead of running over there. But I'll change it later. We'll change it later. I ain't trying to overthink this stuff right now. I want to get it hooked up. So get that out. Gonna get this. I be saving my backing hole too, cause you don't never know when you gonna need it. Or the fuel line. So let me get this off of here. Girl, what you could, hey. Girl, I'll tiger uppercut you walking out here sneaking up on me.
I was not sneaking up on you.
It ain't hit it, girl. She walked up. I finna tiger uppercut her. So getting this get that on the check valve. Get it back in the brake booster. Then we're gonna check these brakes out. See how they feel. I really want to check it with the rims on here, cause they when it really pushing the car. Y'all saw that in the video though. I really want to check it with the wheels on it.
I thought we were gonna go to a Walmart tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, but we ain't talking about that. Look, she talking about something there. I don't want to record now. You better go in the house. But let me see. We're gonna get this measured and cut it about right here. Oh yeah, man. I wanna shout out to everybody else too that, like I said, that contributed to my to the cash out. Especially Rockman, man. Shout out to Rockman. Like, hey man, I really appreciate that a lot. I appreciate everybody. But Rockman just really stood out. They're like, hey man, I really appreciate it. I appreciate every one of y'all. So I don't have the names right in front of them, but I just remember that or whatever. Cause man, like I said, you got to be a special person to contribute. Cause like I said, some people look at you like, oh, you already got this and that, and I ain't helping nobody. That's how some people think. It messed up, cause I don't think like that, but you know, everybody ain't gonna think like you, so it is what it is. You gotta just roll with it. Just roll with it, that's what I say. Roll with it, roll with people. So we got that hooked up that fast. I'm gonna grab the camera and show y'all how this look visually. Then we're gonna crank it up, see. Alright. So we got everything hooked up. Like I said, I'm probably gonna change that one, man. I got plenty of rubber holes. I might reroute it. Like I said, I have to look at it. I get to looking at stuff, I'd be like, oh, I want to change it. But anyway, it's all hooked up that fast, so this is how it looks visually. Remember, you got your your block. Where is it? It's behind there. It's covered up. Yep. But you got your block right there. And then, like I said, you got this fitting. And it don't matter. I mean, it's a canister. I mean, it really don't matter. But I got this line right here running to the brake booster. So you can see it. Some people like to see. So you see this line? It's running right here to the brake booster. And this line is running to the back of the carburetor. So now we're about to move all of this. Then we're gonna crank this thing up. And it should give you more vacuum. Let me hop in here, point y'all at the sky. Alright. Get my keys. Cold start. Haven't crunked this car up any today, as you probably can see, cause I got the cover just peeled back on it. Boy, that thing sounds too good. That thing sounds too good. Gotta get that carburetor warm. There we go. Oh yeah. Brake feel good. I knew it wasn't that warm. Let's see my other foot in here. Let me see. See what these brakes feel like in gear. Oh yeah. I might see what it feel like going down the road. I have to move all the cars and stuff first. And I might cut this thing off. Have to move the rest of the car first and then drive it. We'll drive it and actually see what them brakes feel like going down the road before the rain come in. So y'all just stay tuned. So as y'all can see, it came down. It went down, man. This rain won't let me be great, man. But and cleared up some now, so we about to go on the drive. I gotta test these brakes out. So I'm gonna set this thing up so y'all already know, get the backing up footage, get the sound clips and all that good stuff. That bad boy sound too good. I can listen to it all day. If gas, I ain't had that expensive gas in there, I crank it up and just let it run. Listen to it. Hold on, I'm trying to get it set up, man. I gotta get me a new stand. These legs done had it, boy, holding the heavy camera. Then what I be having to go through. I'm letting y'all witness it live right now, though.